Good evening to everyone. What I'm gonna show to you right now is some of the improvements of our compensation plan here in iWon. So all of us here came from the previous company, which is AIM Global, and the reason the owner built new company to show the improvements so that more result will come and bigger result and fastest result. So this is iWon business presentation. iWon stands for Infinite Wellness Opportunity Network. Now these are the owners, our Vice President for Training, Mr. Dennis Villarosa, for the purpose that all of us can be trained very well, especially in online. So the purpose of online marketing is to see to it that our network is rapidly growth in international. And the second owner is our Vice President for Sales and Marketing, Mr. Anthony Gatchalian, a former AIM Global #1 Speakers Bureau, and he's earning $500,000 per month, but he's left the company to be part of this wonderful company. Then the owner itself, the Hall of Fame and the former top one of AIM Global, which is Mr. Charles Nangurayan, the CEO and President. They all resigned from the previous company to give way for the new company to make some improvements, especially give break to those people who are working hard. Now this is our office in the Philippines. So this is the very first time that this network marketing has been established office for only 2 months. And we have also office in Mindanao, which is in Davao. So all of these office right now are operationally functioning. And our products are, we innovate the food supplement instead of using the capsules. All of the ingredients that we found in the capsule, we just put in a beverage functional. We have the chocolate drink. It has a brain booster, and we have also the Coffee Plus. It's a healthy coffee. So we have also what we call the healthy juice, which is guayabano, the reduced or the reinvented juices. The second one, the slimming juice, and it has the Carcinia Cambogia, the #1 leading ingredients right now is in terms of slimming. And the what we call the beauty juice or the collagen. It has collagen and at the same time with glutathione. So instead using a capsule, we just innovated it into the beverage functional so that it is very easy to sell. At the same time, it's very easy to explain. Now we have also what we call a skincare product. We have the beauty soaps. So we have the Citron, which is for body. And we have the Luminosity for the face. And it has the collagen and kojic acid. And yes, we have also Raven and another activated carbon used for body also. And Serenity, which is for face essentials. So now the good thing, we have also our world-class product. Is that, in terms of skincare and beauty products, it has the gold particles and caviar. So these products right now are really leading right now in the US market, and especially most of the women like to use this product, and it's very effective. Now in terms of compensation plan or marketing plan, so what I'm gonna show you right now is some of the improvements that we have innovated from the previous company. So like for example, most of the distributor are deciding to have a multiple account. So what we improve is you have to watch this. For example, if you are already a distributor here in iWon, so when someone buys a multiple account under you, so all direct referrals will be yours, because in our previous company it doesn't happen in the same way. So example, in this scenario, your friends for the very first time, he bought an individual account. So what will happen, from the previous company you will earn $150, but here in our company, every time that under you will buy multiple accounts, you will earn $150. So every time this individual name buys, then add the multiple account, so it will go direct to you. Unlike in the previous company, you just only earn single time. Every time that's under you will buy another account, it will not be given to you. So try to imagine if you're a single business partner under you will bought multiple accounts with the 7 platinum. All of the direct referrals will be yours, and the total of that is $1,050. So it's very different among others, especially from the previous company. if you will try to understand and learn or study the compensation plan of our previous company, it was very different. And that is one of the compensation plan that we improved. The next improvement that we bring is about our pairing income and what we call leadership cluster bonus. For all we know, in the previous company, the traditional binary needs the left and right group. But in this scenario, for example, you have only one leg or one group. The other group is not moving. So for example, your first direct, which is your first level, earning already 1 million per month. So the 12% of the total earning that he has or she has will go directly to you, even if there is no pairing. So, and the good thing, the people under him will also earn another 1 million per month. Then you have already percentage. So what we are talking right now, even if you have no pairing income, but the people under you has their pairing income, you can still receive the percentage from their income, which doesn't happen in our previous company. So in this scenario, in your first level, you earn $2,521. In your second level, you earn $1,681 US. And the good thing, and up to third level, you have still the percentage. So in this scenario, another 1 million. The 5% of that is $1,051 US. The total of $5,253 US for just only having one leg. So the good thing, this is happened because your account is platinum, which is the best package. So what I'm saying right now, in this scenario, the traditional binary has been improved. There is no pairing, but you still receive income. So again, I will repeat, this is only a one-leg scenario, but the percentage is still good enough. And that's what you can earn from that one-leg program. So with iWon, you will really earn a big bucks. The same effort, but different result. And the good thing about our company, even if you are new in this company, the company prepared what we call the profit sharing, or what we call car incentive program. So while you are earning in 100 pairs, so except from the earning that you have, the company will give you another $2,100 so that you can use it to make a down payment for your car. Then instead using the 100 pairs, you will proceed to the 300 pairs, which is you've already earned. The company will give you additional $6,300 US for down payment. And for 700 pairs, the company will give you $14,700 US for down payment. So this is another improvement that our previous company doesn't have, because the owner of this company is already a networker before, and they are very successful right now. They just improve everything from the very difficult. They make it easy so that more result will come, the fastest result and the biggest result. So as you have seen, this incentive also has no time frame. So what I'm saying right now, this company is in the perfect timing already with what we call the improved compensation plan. We have the quality product, we have the right products. We're only new in this industry, but the good thing, our company exists already, and the properties and the expertise of this owner, they have the capacity and they have the experience. So what you have seen right now, this is not a choice, it is a chance already. You need to grab this opportunity or other people will grab this. And congratulations if you're the first individual who will do this in your country, because for all we know, the pioneering stage is very critical. It is the great chance to earn more money if you're the one who will do this first and foremost. And I know that this company will help you to establish this to your country, and if that happens, you will earn a lot of money. So once again, thank you for listening and watching. So grab this opportunity, join us now, contact the people who invited you in this presentation.